Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Japan. This came out of a Numai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. I'm super excited. It's showing me on the camera and it's recording. So that's cool. I just needed to update the app for the GoPro. Who knew? Anyways, this is Igarashi Seimen Hakata Ramen Tonkotsu. Yes. Should be good. It comes in a little bag. And you've got a liquid one. How long does this take? Oh yeah, that's right. It's 2 minutes and then 1.5. Yeah. So let's set it for 2 minutes. Goes in 550 mils of water. Oh, there comes the sun. Dude. I swear, I can't win. I can't win. It's good that it's going to be sunny, but that means I have to close the blinds a little bit because there's too much bright light. Drives me nuts. Maybe this, if I did it right now though, the sun would be gone. So, anyways, Momofuku Endo speaks, quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. So what do we got today? What was the last one? Number 225? God gave us all 24 hours a day. Time alone is allotted equally to the rich and poor, but once spent, it never comes back. We already did that one. 226. Working 24 hours a day doesn't mean sitting in the office for 24 hours a day. Okay. Alright. Whoa! I set the timer? I set the timer. Okay. We're going to need a spoon, and we're going to need, yes, a fork. Can you handle that? Some people still just lose their mind over the fact the way he eats those noodles. Sorry, this isn't an Asian restaurant. I apologize. But if you use chopsticks, it tastes completely different. Please. I have an argument to share with you. The argument is this. People talk a lot about things that are natural and things that are not natural. Well, I submit to you, so for example, I only eat, somebody said, I only eat vegetables because naturally we are actually herbivores and we should only be eating vegetables, and that's why I eat vegetables. I submit to you, ladies and gentlemen, that that is complete rubbish. Everything, if you were an alien, okay? If you're an alien from outer space, and you came here, let's see, 1.5 minutes now. If you came here, you landed on Earth, and you were studying Earth people, everything that we would be doing, right? We would be, first off, in our natural habitat, doing what comes naturally to us. So, as a result of that, this is a natural occurrence of humans. Humans make metal containers to hold beverages. It's a natural occurrence. When people say, that's not natural, that's this and that, they're talking about something completely different. They're talking about something that's not sourced, or, people doing unnatural things. No, humans only do things that are naturally occurring for humans. That's it, period. To say anything else is ridiculous. Humans might do things that other humans find like distasteful or that goes against their personal nature, but there's still, their reaction to that is natural as well. You're doomed. You can't win the argument. When you are the test subject, you can't make the experiment. Cheers. That's an argument I've been pushing for years. But people are like, well then, how can you make that argument? Well, naturally as a human, it's my natural argument to make that argument. Humans are going to act like humans. To try to change the nature of a human is to change something from, is impossible, because the only thing you're going to do if you're a human trying to change the nature of humanity is change the way humans are, but they're still humans. You see, they're not gonna stop being humans. So that's like, I don't know. I think I've lost you. That's okay. Do you get what I'm saying? Do you get it? I hope so. Oh, these noodles are weird too, because these kind of get a little frothy. What you doing? They did good in school today. Yesterday was a tough day. Well, she still hasn't had her actual class yet. Wow, look at this. Now I can do this. Now I know exactly what you're seeing. That makes me really happy, ladies and gentlemen. Really happy. Truly, truly happy. I got the video done I got the video and the audio done for the cooking of the eggs. That makes me happy too. I saw somebody complaining the other day about Hakata noodles, and they have this they just seemed very floury. It's like, that's the way they are. Every time I've had anything that says Hakata on it. Look at that. That's some pretty broth. But people were complaining about that, and it's like, that's just the way they are. And so they were like boiling them and rinsing them and boiling them and rinsing them. That's good. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna start out with my last slice of chashu. That's bad. Okay. Oh no. I need the magical knife. Ow! Okay, we got a problem. I need the magical knife, however, we'll have to use this magical knife. The Blade of Fury. I think I want him to go this way. There you go. I like to let it roll a little bit. So this is the video that you may be able to see soon is when I did the last video, the eggs were 16 hours old. These are more like 16 plus 24, so 34, 38 hours old. You're getting kind of, what, middle-aged? I don't know. I want these to be ponied up on each other. I really like it when eggs are acting. When the meat and egg act as one. There we go. That's a little better. I'm going to try to have this one be more centric. Centrist. Intrinsic? I don't know. I'm having a good day. So if my words sound weird, that's just because I'm filling up with people. Well, not all people. Actually, what am I talking about? I really dislike most people. Especially on the internet. Internet. Except for you. Yeah. But you alone. You're all right. I think you're great. But the others, well, what are we going to do about them? The Ramen Raider would right now like to say that anybody who is being like racist and a jerk against Asian folks should just knock it off. Be nice. As my brother says, be nice. It costs you nothing. Honestly, I think it costs you more to be not nice. So just be nice. It's funner. Some nice. That's nice. Nice. Reuniti on ice is nice. I've never had that. Has anybody had that? Mention it in the comments below. I've never had Reuniti. I have a feeling it's like a really cheap. Hey Mimi, how you doing? Okay, I'll be done in a second, okay? Alright, let's center this perfectly. This is a good one. This came out of one of those umai crates, so if you get one of those, you might find it to be enjoyable. You know, this I'm not finding enjoyable though. I want this egg over here, and I don't want this junk on top of it. It's hard when you got a lot of broth that you're dealing with the egg. I don't want these noodles to show up better. Maybe rake them a little bit. Pack it over in there like that. I don't know, we'll see. And then we're gonna do some sesame seed. And we're gonna do some shichimi. And we're gonna do some oil because this stuff could use a little bit of heat. Other than just the shichimi. Alright. Let's see if you find that. Come on. I kind of like that. Let's go with that. All right, well that was yeah, Japanese variety, freaking good stuff. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. For tomorrow's episode, we've got another one. I did one of these yesterday, and it was quite good. Something I found at the store on Saturday. This is Fan's Kitchen. Premium instant noodles, Chongqing spicy flavor. Whoops. Be a fan too. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.